Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys my journal setup in my A5 scribbles and matted bullet journal. So I've already set up my spread layout, and my design theme this month is 70's inspired. I'll be following the color scheme of these stickers right here. The markers I'll be using are my tan mitt dual tip brush pens, which you see right now. And these are the colors that I will be using for my spreads. I did decide to swap out the third marker. You're gonna see this dark tannish color right there for orange to make it more vibrant and pop out, so you guys will see that later on. So now I'm just grabbing my ruler and we're gonna just begin shading, and yeah. Okay, so we have one page mostly done. Now let's move to the next half of the cover page. I decided to not use the ruler anymore just so that I can go a little bit faster. Okay, now I'm using my Tombow calligraphy pen just to fill in my lettering. I decided to go with the phrase, "Don't worry, be happy," because things weren't working out the way I thought it would due to this pandemic. That is another video for itself. I'm also reminded with this phrase that I should never worry, because God said not to worry, and I should always trust Him and His plans for my life. The Bible also tells us so many times not to worry or be anxious about anything, but to cast our anxious thoughts to Him because He cares for us and He created us for a purpose. Therefore, He has great plans for our lives. So I'm going to leave some verses in the description box for your encouragement if you want to read them. Okay, so let's just continue.
A few moments later.
Now we're almost done with the cover page, but stay tuned until the end of this video to see the final results. These 2 pages are going to be my monthly faves and my ideal workday time block. So I'm going to start off by drawing the middle column, showing my hours from 6 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. However, I only display the half hour with a dot. So I decided to go with a block lettering that's 70's style for my monthly faves and my ideal day titles, and I love it. I think these 2 are by far my favorite lettering for the spread. Next, I use the same color scheme as a block shadow for my lettering, just to tie things together. Lastly, I attempted the 2D line design from Pinterest to tie in the color and stripes theme I used in the cover pages. And this is how it turned out. Maybe I should have just left the orange line out, but it's okay. Finally, I worked on my weekly spreads. So right now I'm just drawing lines for the days of the week, and each day will have like its own task block, and it has a small column for my bullet codes when I complete a task or an event. And the bottom 2 horizontal boxes would be for like my highlights and insights for that week. So I'm just continuing the rest of the days of the week on the next side of the page. And then that bottom half will be Sunday. And then this box here will be my to-do list for the week. And then the small grid box right here is going to be my habit tracker for the week. And then lastly, I'm going to put a little calendar and highlight that week on the calendar. So I copied this weekly spread for the rest of June, except for the last week, and I'm going to show you that once everything is done. Here is the final product. I added flowers and 2 stickers that literally express my personality. Okay, so this is for the most part how each weekly spread would look like, except for the last week. So I have Monday all the way over to Sunday, and then I have my to-do list for that week in that little box right there, and this box is my habit tracker, and I'll be tracking each day going down. Yes. And then finally, my last week, I decided to join in the last 2 days of the month instead of using a brand new page for that. so that I can save my next page for July. And I can't wait to share my July spread with you guys. And yeah, so that's Monday to Saturday, and then that's Sunday to Tuesday. And I just moved my habit tracker over to that black column. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.